I'm not a saint, you mad? Your sugar-coated doll is not so pure, my bad. I don't give a you stepping on me and think I'm a mama. Touch you better than that. You're mad, I guess you're mad. Wore my best pajama for this drama. Why you talking like that, like that, like that? I'm not gonna spend the night, I'm talking. You got bad things on your mind, keep barking. Spit your words on someone else. Don't act like you're so obsessed with me, with me. You know that I ain't coming back, I'm sorry. Read my lips, you do not like that. You're drowning without me. Take it all back, but if you want my sympathy, honey, well,
walking alone, the streets are empty. The only thing I can see is my own silhouette. I'm getting stronger, step by step. The clock is ticking, but there's no time for regrets. I've been flying from town to town.
Banding guys. So, ayan. Siyempre, dati damdamo na ngamin nakasisimi guys kung ituturmi. Baka kami yun, chay.
Kanya, damit niya kadamdamo
Dito ikang manang ko na ibig sabihin na dahil yung MTR. Diyos me. Ito yung artistahin kong yun. Ito yung manan? Ito yung
I need you to hear and don't show any fear. I've been flying from town to town, from London to...
Hi guys! Good morning! Good afternoon na pala. Ayan, this is the third day of Chinese New Year, of course. Holiday pa rin namin. Third day ng Arudon. Ayan, third day na guys ng aming holiday.
As usual, I am the
Siyempre. Ayan, nandito kami sa house ng boss ng aking pinsan na isa yan. This is our chef.
Nagpitas mata na kasama, nagpupudaw tayo dito.
Nagbilis sa camera? Ayan.
Nagpupudaw tayo.
So, nagluluto siya guys ng ampalaya with egg, with garlic.
Tapos yung tinola.
Yan. So,
Pagkain
ayan.
ng
The sister.
Ilocano.
Yan. So, thank you for accepting us here. Yan. Diba?
May pag-ganun.
Eggless yan.
Bahay natin ito.
Yes. Ayan guys. So, ito rin naman ang aming isang newly pinsan.
Yeah.
Welcome to the Hong Kong. Punamot Ito from the province of Cagayan. Masi Cagayan. Ayan guys. Look at her. Very unique. The color is unique guys. Well actually she is our relatives.
Maganda ko na.
Yeah.
Pangasyo.
And the other one guys, ayan English. Hindi ko to i-mute. Hindi ko rin to ano. Basta walang mute to. Ayan guys ang aming magiging hipag.
Yes.
Welcome to the club. Welcome to the family. Ayan. Ang magiging asawa ng aking pinsan is Jordan Zulis. Ayan. Betan. Tabuyain yung YouTube ko tayo doon.
Oh, yes! Inaabara, kagabi nga nagkahan.
Ay, syempre wala pa kagabi. Ay, sa insan mo. Diyos ko.
Buy-buy ang asawa ng asawa.
Kaya ako gusto ko lagi.
DJ Ken. DJ Karen. DJ Ken. DJ Karen. DJ Ken.